Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to do surveys on TimeBucks. To start doing surveys on TimeBucks, first head to your browser, type in TimeBucks, and open the website. Sign up for a View account or log in if you already have one. Then verify your account through the email link they send you. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you can access survey stats and referrals. To begin, click the survey section, but first, complete the quality test to ensure your answer carefully. Each survey may contain perhaps questions to confirm you're reading thoroughly. Complete surveys truthfully, following the instructions, and you'll earn rewards that accumulate in your account. You can check your earnings at any time and withdraw once you reach the minimum payout, which is $5, usually paid automatically every Thursday. Remember, surveys pay the highest compared to other tasks, so prioritize them for maximum rewards and always maintain consistency to avoid disqualification. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.